Imagine you're lounging in your favorite chair, screen glowing, while the entire universe pulses with mysteries around you. What if this universe, with its billions of stars, galaxies, and endless expanses, is actually the heart of a gigantic black hole? What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but just a plunge into the abyss of gravity? Welcome to our channel, where we don't just discuss the cosmos, we uncover its most shocking secrets. Today, we're diving into a hypothesis that will make you rethink everything. Are we living inside a black hole? With scientific evidence, bold theories, and a dash of imagination, this journey promises to be explosive. Hold on tight, we're launching. First, recall what a black hole is. It's not just a black pit in space like in cartoons. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so powerful that even light can't escape outward. It forms when a massive star collapses under its own weight, compressing to a point of infinite density, the singularity. Around it is the event horizon, an invisible boundary beyond which anything that enters vanishes forever. Now imagine, what if our entire universe is the interior of such a black hole? What if the Big Bang wasn't the start of everything, but simply the moment when matter fell into this hole from another external universe? This idea isn't new. Back in the 1970s, physicist Raj Kumar Pathria and I.J. Good began pondering the similarities between our universe and black holes. They noticed that the mathematics of Einstein's theory of general relativity, which describes black holes, is very similar to the description of our cosmos. For example, our universe has a cosmological horizon, a boundary beyond which galaxies are receding from us faster than the speed of light due to the expansion of space. This resembles the event horizon of a black hole, and the mass of the entire observable universe roughly matches that of a black hole with a radius equal to our observable cosmos. Imagine, if we were inside, we couldn't see the external world because light doesn't escape outward. We'd be like fish in an aquarium, unaware of the ocean around us. But let's add some fresh scientific data. In 2025, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, Professor Lior Shamir from Kansas State University conducted a study published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. He analyzed 263 galaxies and discovered a strange asymmetry. About 2/3 rotate clockwise, like our Milky Way, while 1/3 rotate counterclockwise. And this asymmetry intensifies with the distance of the galaxies, meaning with greater redshift. Shamir suggests this could be a sign that the entire universe is rotating around some cosmic axis. And you know what always rotates? Black holes. They inherit rotation from the stars they form from, and this rotation could influence our entire cosmos if we're inside. Imagine our universe as a gigantic whirlpool spinning in the heart of a black hole, and this rotation creates a preference in the direction of galaxy rotations. This could explain some mysteries like dark energy or dark matter. Perhaps they are effects of this black hole structure. Let's fantasize a bit, because science without imagination is boring. If we're truly inside a black hole, what does that mean for us? Imagine time flowing differently here. Near the singularity, time slows to infinity, so our Big Bang might have just been a fall into the hole from an external universe. And what if black holes are portals to new universes? Physicist Lee Smolin in the 1990s proposed the theory of cosmological natural selection. Each black hole births a new universe with slightly different physical laws. Those universes that produce more black holes, that is, more offspring, survive and evolve. Our universe could be one of those children, perfectly tuned for life because otherwise we wouldn't exist. Imagine the multiverse as a tree where branches are black holes and leaves are new cosmos. We could be a tiny leaf on this infinite tree of reality. And what if outside there's a parent universe where someone looks at our black hole as an ordinary star? That's insanely captivating. Of course, it's not all that simple. There are strong counter-arguments. Our universe is expanding, while inside a black hole, everything should contract toward the singularity. How to reconcile that?
Physicists say the Big Bang singularity is a beginning in time, not a point in space like in a black hole. Moreover, the cosmological principle asserts that the universe is uniform and isotropic, without special directions. Studies from telescopes like DESI and Euclid have not detected signs of universe rotation, and Shamir's methodology is criticized for possible biases in galaxy selection. And most importantly, we lack a theory of quantum gravity that would combine general relativity and quantum mechanics. Without it, we can't peek inside the singularity or understand what happens beyond the event horizon. So the hypothesis remains speculative, it can't be proven, but neither fully disproven. But here's what's cool. Such ideas force us to rethink everything. If we're in a black hole, measurements of distances and time might be distorted. Past and future could circulate in a cycle without a true beginning or end. This could explain why the universe seems so tuned for life. Are you ready for such a twist? Share in the comments. Do you believe in this theory or consider it fantasy? Like if you want more videos on cosmic mysteries and subscribe to not miss the next one.